Welcome, and welcome to the bright light of Cork. And it's Paul O'Mahony welcoming you on day 3. Now, I had a bit of a debate with myself about where would I talk about. Would I talk about my favourite coffee house in Cork, which is called Filter Coffee, and where they have big jars of coffee like this, but twice as big, huge, and loads of them with coffee from all sorts of places, Tanzania, Mozambique, you name it, Jamaica, Ethiopia, whatever. But I changed my mind. I changed my mind because I go with my dog, Louis, who unfortunately who I won't show you today, but someday soon I will. And I go to a wood called Moanbaun Wood, Moanbaun, Moanbaun Wood, not far from Cork. And I have to go with this English setter every day. And I love going there for all sorts of reasons. It's deciduous trees, which are now turning yellow, brown and yellow. It's pine trees. But a very special reason, I am reading a book as I walk. This is the book, Wanderlust, A History of Walking by Rebecca Solnit, who I'd never heard about before I started to read the book. So I'm reading the book and making a kind of commentary on it in my blog every day, and that is my favorite place, and I'd love to show it to you. Thank you.